It's so juicy. Hi friends, I'm Chef Daniela Malfitano and welcome to My Choice Kitchen. This is a space for choosing joy. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a better burger. Now this burger is made with ground chicken, not beef, so it's actually better for planet Earth, and it actually metabolizes in our system efficiently and cleaner and makes us feel totally full and nourished. I'm also going to prepare crispy purple potato wedges to go with. These are super delicious and I'll show you just how easy they are to make. You guys ready to start? Let's get cooking.
Let's prep the purple potatoes. Oil a foil-lined baking sheet and then slice your potatoes into large wedges. Arrange them in a single layer and then drizzle them with extra virgin olive oil to make them super heart healthy. Add your choice of spice here. I'm using my grandfather Nanu Luciano's home-dried oregano. Don't forget salt and pepper, which I call S&P. Pop them into the oven and bake them for about 12 minutes. Time to season up the meat. I'm using Herbs de Provence, a lavender spice blend that goes well with lean ground chicken. And of course S&P. Mix that and now heat and oil your skillet pan or grill. When handling raw chicken, I use gloves to keep it clean and to prevent cross-contamination. Form 5 mini burgers, also known as sliders. While they cook, prep your favorite healthy garnishes. Try antioxidant-rich red onion, crispy organic romaine lettuce, and bright red plum tomatoes. But you can use anything you choose. Let's get creative with our buns. Today I'm using whole wheat bread because it has great flavor and a ton of fiber. Using a cookie cutter, make 5 circles for the base of our open-faced sliders. Toast them up until they're golden brown and delicious. The sliders are ready to be flipped when they become just firm to the touch. Let's talk cheese. The choice is totally yours. I'm using almond cheese, one of my favorite non-dairy alternatives. It's loaded with good fats and packed with protein. Top each slider and it will melt in minutes. Hey, look at these buns, they look perfect. And great timing too. The sliders are ready to come off. Now, let's get saucy. I'm making a clean and easy red pepper aioli, a couple of roasted red peppers from the jar, and organic mayo, blended together in a food processor until smooth. That's it. You can use any sauce you want, but choose wisely. Ketchup is high in added sugar. This aioli is simply sweetened by the peppers. Taste and tweak if needed. You done with S&P? Yeah, you know me! Okay, let's finish this up. The fries are done and it's time to build our sliders.
These. Yum. Every single burger is going to be an open-faced slider. Now let's go for it. Red pepper aioli. So good. It's super bright. I love the color. Romaine. These are super thinly sliced, as you saw me do. Very important. You just want a little crisp. Look at these purple potatoes. These are so cute. Now it's my favorite part. We get to taste. But before we do, I want to give this food a little gratitude. All right, here we go. A little slider. Let's start with the slider. This is like 2 bites. Here we go. It's so juicy. And the almond cheese that I use on top to make it a cheeseburger makes it really decadent. The burger is delicious. It's nice, light chicken with Herbs de Provence. It's great. All right, last bite. Okay. Some fries. Look at these purple potatoes and the red pepper aioli. It just pops with color. Now this is what I call eating the rainbow. I gotta try it. The potato is so perfectly cooked, and the red pepper aioli, it's a little bit sweet, it's nice and creamy, it's perfect. I hope that you learned something today, and if you did, come back for more, will you? We have so much in store for you here. And until next time, let's rejoice in choice. Bye, friends.